Hey everyone, this is Truveen, and in this session we will be talking about how we can draw and insert shape to the map visual in Power Apps. So now let's get started. Sometimes we have scenario wherein we need to draw and highlight specific portion from the map. At that time, we can use this functionality. So let me show you the demonstration. So here I have different type of shapes available, and now I am highlighting this specific portion from the map. Then I will get its specific GeoJSON value. You can also rename the name for your shape as well. Here you three types of shapes are available: square, circle, and polygon. Based on your convenience, you can choose any type of shapes and highlight the specific portion from the map, and that will show you the GeoJSON value for that specific shape. Now, how can we achieve this kind of requirement with the map visual? So now let's get started with that thing. Here I have created one Power Apps blank canvas app. Now go to the insert menu and go to the media option. From here you can select map visual. So let's select that visual over here. Now we wanted to provide the functionality for user to draw specific shape onto the map. For that we need to enable two toggle switch from the map. Select the map visual and scroll down a little bit. Here you will be able to see two preview feature. One is shape drawing and another is shape delete. So make sure that both the option has been turned on, and once you turn on that, immediately that drawing toolbar will be appear for you on the map. Now let's run the code, and now say for an example, here I am selecting circle. So that will allow me to draw the circle. Now I am just drawing a circle over here, and now from here you can rename your shape as well. Click on edit icon and just change the name over here. So I am just changing the shape name as Redmond and just click OK. Similar way, if you wanted to draw circle, then you just need to select that, and now you can just provide the name for your shape as Idlewood. Similar way, here you can draw any polygon. So let's say I just wanted to draw this one, this entire boundary, and just wanted to highlight the thing. So we can just provide the name for our shape, right? So here we have created the stuff over here. Now let's say for an example, if we want to store all the highlighted stuff to our SharePoint list or somewhere else, then from the map we will get one property. Now what is that property? Let me talk about that. So let me just add one label control over here. Just add that and scroll down, and now here let's apply the property map1 dot geojson, and here we are getting the entire GeoJSON value over here, right? So you can store this value to your SharePoint as well. So this is how we can easily draw different shape to our map and highlight the specific boundary of the map. Hope this tip is helpful to you. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp and Instagram. If you are looking for any consultancy, here is the website. Please visit that and add your query over there. If you want to listen different Power Platform related podcast, here is a podcast channel. Just click on that, it will redirecting you to this particular page. From here you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify and much more. Also, if you are interested to listen different Instagram related video on Power Platform, here is the link. Just click on that and it will redirecting you to my Instagram homepage. Here is the name of my Instagram account, which is Power Platform Guy. Just follow me and show your love over there as well. If you are looking for any short video related to Power Platform, here is a separate channel. Just click on that channel. It will redirecting you to this particular page. From here, you just need to hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.